In front of me is INFINIX Hot 60i, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to find Recorder app that's already on your device and click on it. Now choose Allow in the pop-up and click on this gear at the top right corner if you want to manage your recording file format. Click on the best one and go back, or choose Language Management first and pick your language. When you finished, go back, hit red button at the bottom and start recording. Hit allow if you want to enable notifications and start recording. If you want to pause it or unpause it, use the same middle button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the right one. To discard it though, use this X at the top right corner. I will save it though, so I need to click on the check mark. And as you can see, my recording is over here. Now to play it, click on it. To manage it, go back and hold it. And use all of those options at the bottom, like rename or delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!